Spectroscopy detects microplastics in human lungs. How does it reach the lungs? Does it cause lung cancer? Harmful effects of microplastics. Research findings. Edwin Williams, EJW, Science and Research News, EJW News Podcast. Hi friends. In an earlier Science and Research News, I explained how microplastics enter the blood and its harmful effects. This article deals with how it reaches human lungs. Microplastics were detected in all regions of human lungs using mu-FTIR analysis, that is, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, which is used to obtain an infrared spectrum of absorption or emission of a solid, liquid, or gas. It collects high-resolution spectral data over a wide spectral range. Polypropylene and polyethylene terephthalate fibers were most abundant. The results support inhalation as a route of microplastic MP exposure. Airborne microplastics have been sampled globally, and their concentration is not increased in areas of high human population and activity, especially indoors. Respiratory symptoms and diseases following exposure to occupational levels of microplastics within industrial settings have also been reported. It remains to be seen whether microplastics from environment can be inhaled, deposited, or accumulated within human lungs. Analysis of digested human lung tissue samples using mu-FTIR spectroscopy showed that 11 of the 13 lung tissues studied showed significantly high levels of microplastics than the controls. A total of 39 microplastics were detected in different regions of lungs under study. 12 polymers in high concentration were polypropylene 23%, polyethylene terephthalate 18%, and resins 15%. Microplastics were identified in all, that is, upper, middle, and lower regions of lungs. Results support inhalation as a route of exposure. Plastic particles that are between 1 μm and 5 mm are defined as microplastics and are present in environment ranging from marine, freshwater, soil, food, drinking water, and air. Suspended microplastics particles have been isolated from many locations including city centers, indoor households, and remote outdoors of high human activities. This ubiquitous and unavoidable exposure to humans is increasing concern regarding hazards of microplastic ingestion, dermal contact, and inhalation. Microplastics as small as 5 microM have been reported within air samples. Upon release to the environment, these are exposed to oxidation, mechanical stress, biological actions which make them brittle and fragment later to nanoparticles of less than 1 microM and release into environment. Exposures of these are unlikely to break down in lungs, leading to accumulation over time. Studies in Castle Hill Hospital, Hull University Teaching Hospitals on 11 patients, 6 males and 5 females of 32 to 77 years on upper, middle and lower lobes of lungs were found to contain polyethylene, polyethylene terephthalate resins, polymethyl methacrylate, polypropylene, polystyrene, polytetrafluoroethylene, polymethane, resins, alkylate, hydrocarbon, styrene, ethylene, butylene, copolymer, thermoplastics, elastomer, etc. Reports provide compelling evidence of microplastics of microplastic within human lungs. In total, 39 microplastics were identified in 11 subjects. The 13 lung tissue samples were microplastic detected were from lungs of cancer patients, cadavers, as well as human placenta. Tissue from male donors contained significantly higher level of unadjusted microplastics. This is presumed to be because of the significantly smaller airway in females than in males. References: Amato Lorenzo et al., Journal of Hazard Matter 126-124, August 2021. Raguso et al., Environment International, Volume 146, 106-274, August 2021. L.C. Jenner et al., Science of the Total Environment, Volume 831, 154, 907, 20th July 2022. So, please avoid using plastics, whatever be its thickness. Save yourselves and your family. This research news is not to support a particular group or view. These are recent research reports. I cited only highly reliable top-class science research journals. You may verify it by reading the article by yourselves and take the right decision. Please like and subscribe my channel. Also share it widely for those you love and care for. You know, prevention is better than cure. So take care and protect your health. Thanks. See you soon. I am Edwin Williams, EJW Science and Research News, EJW News Podcast.